JBL IRX ONE features best-in-class sound through an advanced acoustic package with a 3-channel mixer and Bluetooth 5.0 audio streaming, all in an incredibly easy-to-use system that can be carried with just one hand. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your speaker for streaming audio over Bluetooth. Before pairing, we recommend setting the channel volume knobs at 12 o'clock and the main volume knob all the way to the left at -infinity. Start by opening the Bluetooth settings on your source device. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled and that your source device can search for new devices. On the IRX ONE, press the Bluetooth button that is located on the top right section of the mixer, just next to the power button. Within a few seconds, the speaker should then appear as found in the Bluetooth settings of your source device as JBL IRX ONE. Select it to pair to the speaker. Once successfully paired, begin playing audio on your source device and make sure that the volume of your source device is turned up. Slowly begin to turn the main volume knob to the right until the desired volume is reached. Now we can fine-tune the channel volume knobs to achieve the desired mix balance. Keep in mind that the Bluetooth audio level is controlled from your source device's volume control. To turn Bluetooth off, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 5 or more seconds. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.